In this video, I'm going to tell you how to fix this site can't be reached error on Google Chrome. So whenever you go to any website, you get this error. When you click on reload, then also the error comes. So first step is close Chrome completely, then reopen it. But still you get the error. So go to these three dots, click on the settings. Now go to privacy and security. Scroll down. Now tap on use secure DNS. If this is toggle off, then toggle this on. Tap on choose another provider. Click on this customized and select open DNS. After that, close Chrome. Go to Play Store. Search for Chrome and see if there is any update. Update your Chrome. So see, there is an update. Click on update and update your Google Chrome. After doing all this, just restart your device. Sometime the problem is related to device, so just simply restart your device and then try to access your Google Chrome. Your problem will definitely be solved. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.